I'm Tanya Ewing. I'm the founder and inventor of a product called Ujiko. It's a live energy monitor that we've developed for both housing and business. Ujiko was developed to make existing meters smart, but also to future-proof itself to be ready for all the new smart meters that we're going to see over the next few years. And it makes energy live, so it brings to life what you're actually using. Now, not just electricity, but water, gas and the renewables. You cannot make any changes to your supply, your usage, if you can't see what you're doing. And that's what Ujiko does. Not just with numbers, but also with a traffic light display, which is bringing it into all homes and all businesses in an easy, intuitive way. So whether you're 3 or 93, you can just take one look at the display and understand what's going on within the building or your home. Yes, I unfortunately suffer from Lyme disease. It's a very horrible, debilitating illness. And one of the side effects is arthritis. So I have to have my home fairly warm. And it was back in 2006, I received a very large gas bill. And I got really annoyed at myself because I had thought if I could only have seen the energy live, then I would have been able to understand what was going on and make changes. So I tried to engage with my meter, and it's simply impossible. So I started to go on the internet just to buy something that could help me, and I couldn't find anything at all. And something twigged that I should actually go out and do something about this. And my grandfather, when he was about 9 or 10, had said to me, Tanya, get yourself a patent and it'll look after you for the rest of your life. So something inspired me to go onto the patent website, and I found an organisation in Scotland called ICAS, the Innovating Counselling Advisory Service. I went along to them with very basic sketches of what I thought live energy should look like, and it very much had the traffic lights display. And they said they would go away, check if it was an idea worth taking forward or whether it was a chocolate teapot or not. And they said to me within a few days, actually you're onto something here. And no, I had no experience whatsoever, and I was also pregnant with my first child as well at the same time. So I had to really put an awful lot of effort into this and find a lot of very clever people to make the ideas that I had into reality. Before it started, I got a chance to go around to the other exhibits, and I didn't even get around them all before the guests started arriving. It was fantastic, really fantastic, and I've certainly taken a few business cards away with me. And as the Minister said tonight, we have to work together in order to succeed in Scotland, so I agree with them there. As far as the visitors tonight, I'm hoarse because it's been constantly at the stand. A lot of good attention, a very, very mixed bunch of people coming here tonight, which has been excellent. And I feel that, yes, I've got a couple of very good leads that I can follow on from that will potentially lead to good sales. So it's been very effective tonight.